Good everyone! Today we'll have a lesson about adjectives. First of all, let's see what is adjective. Adjectives are words that describe nouns and to tell us what the noun is like. Answer the questions what kind, which one, how many. Adjectives can be used to describe color, opinion, size, age, shape, origin, material, distance, temperature, time of nouns. And it has spatial order. When there are two or more fact adjectives, they normally go in the following order. First, opinion, then size, age, shape, color, origin, material used for be about the noun. For example, that is a wonderful large old rectangular black Chinese wooden linen chest. And there are some types of adjectives. First, qualitative or descriptive adjective, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, distributive, and compound adjective. Let's see the features of adjectives. Qualitative or descriptive adjectives are used to describe the quality of a person or thing, for example, its size, general description, physical, age, shape, color, material, origin, and the purpose. For example, tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. Let's see this example in the sentence. The tall girl is my classmate. The students achieved excellent results. Tall here, physical description. Excellent here, general description for things. Next, quantitative adjectives are used to indicate the number or amount of things. With the help of some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole, several. For example, she found many pens under the table. There was no milk in the jug. There are 37 students in this class. Many here is the number of pens. No here is the amount of milk. 37 here is the number of students. Next, demonstrative adjectives are used to point out nouns with the help of demonstrative pronoun this, these, that, those. This is my friend Dina. Those books are belong to her. Here, these and those are examples for demonstrative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with noun to ask questions with the help of question word what, whose, where, why, how, and which. For example, whose pen is this? Which way shall we go? Whose and which here are examples for interrogative adjectives. Next, possessive adjectives are used to show possession with the help of possessive pronoun my, your, his, her, our, their, its. For example, this is your hat. Their parents came to my house yesterday. Her, their, my are examples for possessive adjectives. Next, distributive adjectives are used to show that the person or things are counted collectively, normally used with singular nouns, and refer to members of a group as individuals, with the help of each, every, either, neither. For example, each participant was asked to complete a survey. Either of these movies would be interesting to me. Each participant here, the members of a group as individuals, either of these movies. Movies are counted collectively. Compound adjectives are made of two or more words, often linked together with hyphen to link the words together to show that it is one adjective. For example, lightweight, duty-free, 4-foot, part-time, cold-blooded, well-behaved. Let's see. We have to be open-minded about things. The lady is wearing a pair of high-heeled shoes. Open-minded, high-heeled, two words linked with hyphen. So, there are three forms of comparison of adjectives. First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. Third, superlative degree. So, first feature here of comparison with the help of EREST suffixes. As you see here in positive degree, there is no need any other suffixes or extra words. It stays its position: clean, dirty, clever, simple, narrow. But in comparative degree, we will use ER suffix for one or two syllable adjective. For example, clean, dirtier, clever, simpler, narrow. As you see here, I-E-R. Why? Because the adjective ends Y letter. We will omit and add I-E-R suffix. In superlative degree, we will use est suffix for one or two syllable adjectives, and before it we will use the articles: the cleanest, the dirtiest, the cleverest, the simplest, the narrowest. Next, comparison with the help of more or most words. Yeah, in positive degree it stays its position: difficult, beautiful. And in comparative degree we will use more words before three or more syllable adjectives: difficult, three syllable adjective, more difficult. And in superlative degree we will use the most, the word most, yeah, before three syllable or more syllable adjectives. Next, we've got also irregular adjectives also. As you see here, there is given a table, yeah, good, bad, much, many, little. And here, in comparative, in superlative degree, we are not using here er or est suffixes or the word more or most, because these adjectives are irregular. They alter from the stem: good, bad, best, bad, worse, worst, much more, most, many more, most, little, less, least, little, smaller, smallest. Just will have to learn by heart these adjectives. Next, we've got spatial adjectives also. It means that two forms are available in comparison. As you see here, in positive degree it stays its position. In comparative, we can use both forms. It means that we can use er suffix and more words also. We can say clever or more clever. Both forms are available. And in superlative degree we will use est suffix and most words also, the cleverest or the most clever. Just we'll have to learn by heart these adjectives: clever, common, likely, polite, simple. Okay? Next. Now this is an example for comparison of adjectives. First one, badminton is an easy sport. Here, an easy, it's a positive degree because there is no any kind of suffix or other extra word. Badminton is easier than tennis. This is a comparative degree. Why? Because we got er suffix, and after this we will use the word than. We are comparing two things. In positive degree, we will not compare two things. Badminton is the easiest activity in sport. Here is the easiest. We've got est suffix and the pay attention keyword in sport. We will use in superlative degree in sport or among people or among countries, such kind of keywords. Okay, and here this one will be for your homework. There is given 4 sentences. You will do these sentences according to my example. Thank you for your attention. The lesson is over. Goodbye.